One of the things we added in Stella 3.3 was the ability to debug a little more easily optimizations in which there is an overflow or divide by zero. So here's a little model where payoff is 1 over 5 minus x. As you might guess, when x is equal to 5, this gives an overflow. And if I were to do an S run, you can kind of see the shape of the curve. It goes up to bigger and bigger to infinity in a sense, and then it switches over to negative infinity and gets smaller and smaller going towards zero. If I were to just optimize this, I would get a message saying the optimization process failed with the message, and then there were incomplete simulations because of numeric errors. We can kind of figure out what that is here, but there's now an option in doing the optimization to go in and say I want to stop on overflow. And when I do that, restore all devices and run it, it'll ask me if I want to make a run using the values causing the overflow. I say yes, and it says there's divide by zero, computing payoff at time zero. This makes it very easy to find where the source of the trouble was. And given the source of the trouble, I could, for example, just put a / here for a safe divide by zero, run an optimization, and then I get 4.9999 as the result for the optimization, which is what we would expect.